Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Ankush Anand and today we are going to talk about how you can create staging in WordPress. Now, the first question is, what is staging actually and why do you need it? So, for example, I have this website wpstuds.com where, by the way, you can register and learn about WordPress development, web design, and a lot of stuff related to website development. So do sign up here, it's free, and I will be creating more content like this soon, so stay tuned for that. But for example, this is my website and I am still making changes. I want to test new features, or I want to just add new features to my existing website. For example, for this tutorial I want to add some features in this website. So what do I do? This is a live site that's already there, which is live, and people can actually do things here, and it's already been used by the client. Now I want to add some features, or I want to update something, I want to add something. So a lot of people directly start like doing changes on a live website. Some people put it in the maintenance mode, but still that's also not a good user experience. Your website is already out and people are already started to visit the website. Now you want to create or add features and an existing existing website, then you need something else, and that is what staging is. In the staging, what we do is we create a duplicate copy of website that we have, and we do the changes there, and then when the changes are finished, we merge that with the original site. Now it may sound like a clone to you, but it's not actually a clone. Staging and cloning is a little different. So here I will directly show you how it works and how you can do the same. So just go to whatever cPanel, whatever hosting provider you have, just log in with the login details, and then you can actually find the option. So I will log into my cPanel and be right back. So here I have already logged into my cPanel, and you can see that this is my cPanel. So if you have similar cPanel, you will find the options here, but if you don't have such cPanel, you may need to ask your hosting provider or just explore the hosting itself. So if you search here staging, you will not find it in this cPanel, but if you search for WordPress, that's what you can do. Best case scenario, search for the feature you want. So right now my feature is related to WordPress, so I will click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and it will take me to this page. Now by default right now, because this website was not installed through the Softaculous installer, so I may need to actually import this website. So for that I will just click on scan for existing installation. So it will automatically like start scanning for the existing websites that I have, and here it is. It found out that this website is created in the hosting. So this is an additional tip. If you don't have it already, by default if you are using Softaculous app installer from cPanel, you will already have it. So you can see like this. I will go back to the previous page so that you can find it again. So just go for WordPress Manager, search for WordPress, and click on the WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or even if it's just Softaculous, then also you can go to the same page. Now you will see something like this, installations and everything like this. Okay, so this should be your website. You can have multiple websites here, so just click on here, and here you will find a lot of options where you can change things, but that's not today's concern. We want to create a staging. Now here you can see there are two options. So one is clone and then other one is staging. So basically this is the option you want to go for. If you want to make a clone, that's separate thing that you can do. So you just have to click on this button, staging. Now here there is a catch. Basically here you will need a subdomain where you can work, right? You want to work, you cannot directly work on the live site, you need a subdomain. So for example, this is my main website. Right now this is live. I cannot work on this website directly. I need some other website name or other domain name. So best case scenario is, what we do is we add staging to it. So we just add staging subdomain to it. or you can even name it whatever you want. Like I do a lot of times, I do old, I do new, so that's your choice. Now how do you do that? So even before we do this, what we need to do is we need to like go to the control panel. From here you can go and then go to subdomains, search for sub, and you will find the subdomains option. Just like I can do staging, so I will create staging subdomain, and I will just click on create, and it will automatically create the folder for it. So here you can see it's loading, and here it will be there. So it says staging.yardhospital.com is created. I will just go back, and here I can find my subdomain. Now just an additional step, it's better to have SSL certificate installed. Now my hosting provider do have Let's Encrypt SSL for free inbuilt, so I will use that. And if you don't have, there will be a lot of videos where you can find if it's there or not. So right now I think SSL is already there, so let's just go directly to the Softaculous, reload this page, and here now I can choose HTTPS, and also I can choose this subdomain. Now we have to keep the directory empty, and then here we need to choose any database name. So I prefer to do the database naming manually, so I just type it old YH, that is Yadav Hospital in short. So this is like the database, and then I want to disable search engine visibility because this is not a live site. So live is this one and staging is this one. Now so I will call this staging Yadav Hospital. So just naming it, not necessary, then create staging. Now it will take a while, it will take around a minute or half a minute. Sometimes it can even take longer for like large websites, so let's wait for it. So you may need to install SSL certificate if SSL is not working. So that's another thing that you can do. It's normal, like how you do it for a normal website. Similar way you can do this for this. Okay, so again it's showing you the same kind of message that you just see when you install WordPress, but here there is a catch. Right now let's wait for that, and let's go to the admin URL. Okay, so by directly clicking here you can go to the page, but here you can see there is SSL error, which means that SSL is not working properly. So we need to fix that. This happens a lot, so no problem guys, just go and install SSL for it. So let's go here and let's issue a SSL certificate. Now this option is available in my hosting, so it may not be available in your case. So you can just use any other method to install SSL, or you will probably have some other option to install SSL. So just use that, or I have some videos for SSL too. Okay, so now the SSL is installed. I will reload this one, maybe it can take some time, and I think here we go. Okay, so it's showing page not found. Let's go back, let's click here, and let's see if it let me log in. Okay, here you go. So this link basically directly log in you to your admin area, and here we are in the back end of staging.yadavhospital.wp admin. Now I can finish all the changes that I want to make, and as soon as I finish the changes and test those changes if that's working or not, I can go back to the Softaculous. You can definitely close this tab, but when you want to like merge the changes, just go here, go to the staging, you will find similar option here, and you can click on push to live. So basically it says push the changes in the staging instance to your live installation. So just click here and you can see the page reloading, and here you can see it's saying that this will replace all the files of your installation, live installation, and replace them with your current installation. Now it will directly like do that. Okay, now you just have to click on push to live, and your site will be updated to the latest whatever changes you made, whatever updates you made, it will take it will like be the new one. So let's wait for this to happen, and I will show you what's the progress. Okay. So here you can see that now your this website will be updated. So this website will now be updated to the latest version, and you can keep this website here and you can keep using it. And if you don't want to use this anymore, you can just remove it from here. That's what I do normally. So just remove this, and after that you will just you can do it again later if you want. So I would preferably delete it, and whenever I want to create another staging website, I can create that. Okay. So this is how you create staging. This is how you basically go and edit your website, add features to your existing website. This is very simple. Once you do it, it becomes very simple. You can see like I am doing it again because I need that option for my client. So I am just doing it again. So it's very simple, guys. Just straightforward option to create staging. Just remember to create a subdomain and make sure the SSL is working. And that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Just let me know any doubts that you have and any suggestions, and everything will be there. And don't forget to sign up here, and so that you can receive the next videos, or you can receive next updates that I'm creating, content that I'm creating to your inbox. So thank you guys for watching the video. Bye now.